drive to the beach, driving 2 hours to get there from where my grandparents live in Florida. As we get closer, my first stop is to get a pub sub. Probably some of the most beautiful water I think I've ever seen. Like, look at this. It's absolutely positively gorgeous. Officially leaving the beach. This was a sweet day. I literally just read on the beach, tanned, and went swimming. 2-hour drive back to my grandparents' place. Coffee has been acquired. We got Dunkin'. I'm not normally a Dunkin' girl, but it just felt right post beach.